Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mr. HD3. Happy Memorial Day. Hopefully you guys are spending it with your friends and family and loved ones. I know I've been missing from my channel, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I got a whole bunch of videos that I haven't uploaded that I'm going to start uploading real soon, starting today. So right after this whole little spiel, there's going to be a video, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to kind of check in with you guys and show you that the t-shirts came in. A lot of you guys have been wanting some merchandise from me, and so here's the t-shirt. It's from Spreadshirt. There's two different types. You have the basic one, which is the Street Lethal TV logo, and then the deluxe one will come with this in the back. And so it's race it, break it, fix it, and repeat. So more of that to come soon. I'll have a whole video dedicated, explain the whole purpose behind the t-shirts and everything like that. But in the meantime, enjoy your holiday weekend, all right? And say bye. Say bye. Bye.
What's happening? It's me, Mr. HD3, back once again for Street Lethal TV, bringing you guys Muffler video number 2. Right now, I'm showing you a sound clip of how the car sounded before. If you guys didn't know, on my previous video, I had the mufflers as a turn down from, a straight pipe, and 2 mufflers, 2 flows on it right now. I'm going to show you guys this underneath the car. This is how it's currently set up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take it to the shop, have them take it over the rear end, and actually put some tailpipes on it. And so I'm going to show a before. This is the before. I'm going to show an after sound clip so you guys can see, as well as doing the process. You guys enjoy. Be sure to get your hands on some official Street Lethal TV merchandise. Available exclusively through the Spread Shop store, we have 2 t-shirts designs. First one up is the classic tee with the Street Lethal TV right across the chest. Up next, we got the exclusive race day edition with the Street Lethal TV logo on the front, and on the back, we have my favorite slogan: race it, break it, fix it, and repeat. Go ahead and check out the Street Lethal store on Spreadshirt.com right about now. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this channel. And don't forget to subscribe. We got new videos, brand new videos coming every Saturday. Street Lethal Saturdays videos will be uploaded at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 1 p.m. Eastern. Y'all have a good one. Peace.